Candice Huffine is an American plus-size, curvy, fashion model, designer, body positivity activist, Instagram star, and social media celebrity. She is famous for posing for global brand Revolve, Victoria's Secret, and being on the cover of her fashion book, Italian Vogue, and other magazines. Candice was born and raised in Washington, D.C., U.S. along with her parents and siblings. She attended a local school for graduation and moved to a popular university for her bachelor's. While completing high school, she aroused her affection for modeling and fashion. In 2000, at the age of 16, she made her modeling after being signed by a local modeling agency and posed for several local fashion brands. Candice has been married to Matt Powers since 2011. There is no authentic information regarding her children as of now. Candice Huffine's net worth as of now, in 2021, is expected to be more than $900,000. Sources of her earnings are modeling, commercials, fashion designing, and different business ventures.